I recently discovered that I shared my birthday with the writer and philosopher Henry David Thoreau. He was a naturalist, environmentalist, a transcendentalist, and a human rights advocate. When he was 28, Thoreau decided to do a personal and social experiment. He went into a forest, built a small wooden cabin, and began to live there by himself, away from all the hustle and bustle of the world. He lived in this way for 2 years, 2 months, and 2 days. When he was there, he spent his time writing and introspecting on all the important questions of life. After coming out, he wrote his observations and lessons in a book called Balden, or Life in the Woods. Thoreau's experiment teaches us the importance of moving out of a comfort zone and challenging ourselves continually to improve ourselves towards our highest potential. Now, why am I talking about Henry David Thoreau? It's not just that I shared my birthday with him, I also shared his love for continually challenging ourselves by moving out of our comfort zone, just like how the humble bumblebee did. Hi, I'm Sundri, and this is my YouTube channel, The Bumblebee Way. Welcome. I'm a writer and a communication professional, and I've been part of the banking, newspaper publishing, and the IT industries for over 12 years. For the last 7.5 years alone, I've been with an IT major as a CSR communication specialist. And I'm an author. This is my baby, A Bumblebee's Balcony. This is the first-hand account of living life with cerebral palsy. Not just living, but celebrating life. Living with cerebral palsy has taught me a lot about life. Most importantly, it has taught me to live on the edge of my comfort zone, to embrace my pain, to embrace my discomfort and difficulties and challenges, and follow my dreams despite all this. Today in this video, I'm sharing 5 tips and takeaways on how to live on the edge of your comfort zone. Number 1, it will help expand our learning. Now, there is a saying, there is no comfort in the learning zone and there is no learning in the comfort zone. Only when we start taking risks and move out of the sphere of our comfort do we begin to learn new things, do we begin to acquire new skills and new knowledge. Most importantly, we begin to expand our life skills. Number 2, it will help us to face our fears. Do you think it is easy to move out of the comfort zone? Definitely not. In fact, it can be extremely terrifying and disconcerting and even discouraging at times. I know because I've done it so many times in my life. For example, moving from the village to the big city, moving from a special school to a regular school, leaving a comfortable banking job for a career in writing and communications. Every single time I was extremely scared, but we should learn to push ourselves despite the fear, despite the discouragement, because only when we start doing things that make us scared do we learn, do we grow, and do we feel alive. Number 3, it will help us to become creative problem solvers. Now, when we keep taking risks and when we keep moving out of our comfort zone, we open many new doors, we get many new opportunities, and we become inspired. That is when we begin to challenge our own existing thoughts. We begin to question our prejudices, and we also learn new ways to tackle our problems. We learn to look at life and life's problems in a new way. Number 4, go slow and go small. Sometimes we tend to take a lot of risks at the same time. It is not advisable because it can be overwhelming and we can even freeze in our tracks. So it is important to take one step at a time, understand your comfort zone, and then take the next step. Number 5, it will help us to reach our highest potential. Now, What happens when we stay inside our comfort zone? Nothing happens. We don't grow, we are not challenged, and we don't find out what we are made of. It may look simple and easy. In the short run, it may look like the best thing to do. But in the long run, we need to move out of the comfort zone to become stronger, more confident, and more resilient individuals. So, the Bumblebee Way is all about going out of a comfort zone, pushing against the gravity, and flying towards a limitless life. I feel that there is a bumblebee within each one of us, which is capable of doing all this and more. On this channel, we will feature stories on resilience, hope, and courage from everyday heroes, from everyday lives. I call them the Bumblebee stories, and these will help you to look inward, to find out where you're stuck, and to embrace your challenges. We will also talk about a topic which is very close to my heart: inclusion and diversity. So, on this channel, we will share stories, insights, personal lessons, and experiences on inclusion, ability, accessibility, and belonging. I will also share some useful tips and ways to become more inclusive in your life and to start embracing the differences around us. Become more inclusive in your life and to start embracing the differences around us. Today, I invite you all to share with me a time in your life or an incident in your life where you took a chance, moved out of your comfort zone, and what has been your biggest learning. You can leave a comment or you can write to me at thebumblebeeworld@gmail.com. So let us begin this beautiful journey. Request you all to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who you think needs a little bit of motivation to start moving out of their comfort zone towards a limitless life.